Okay, let's start practice test 2, the last section, section 7. Number 1, we're looking for lines of symmetry. Well, the T has a line of symmetry here, so it has 1. S does not have any lines of symmetry. I has one right down the middle this way and then one this way, so it has 2 lines of symmetry. A has a line of symmetry right down the middle, and B might have one this way. So which of the following letters is symmetric with respect to at least 2 different lines? I. Answer choice C. Number 2, if you add some number j to 50 and then divide their sum by j, the result is 3. What is the value of j? Now you could use answer choices and sub in for j until you get 3, or you can just cross multiply. So 3 times j is equal to 50 plus j. We'll subtract j from both sides. Looks like j is 25. Answer choice E. Number 3, we have a triangle. We're told that angle R is 70 degrees and angle S is 40 degrees. Well, that's 110. That means this angle P is 70 degrees. We're looking for a true relationship. Well, we have an isosceles triangle. So 4A has to be, 4 plus A So 4 plus A is equal to 5 plus B, and if we subtract 4 from both sides, we get answer choice D. Number 4, this number is equivalent to which one of these? Let's just check the first one, A. 3.26691 times 10 to the negative 3, which means we're going to move the decimal to the left 3 places, so 1, 2, 3, and that's equivalent, so the answer A is correct. 5, x to the 1/2 power equals 4. Remember, that's the square root of x. X to the 1/2 power means the square root of x. So if we square both sides, x to the 1/2 to the second power is just x to the 1. We multiply 1/2 times 2. And then if we square that, x squared is equal to 256. Now another way to work this problem is to ask yourself, what can I raise this power to get x squared? Well, it'd have to be a 4, because 1/2 to the 4th power, x to the 1/2 to the 4th power is x squared. So we raise 4 to the 4th. You can input this into your calculator and get 256 as well. Answer choice E. Number 6, we have a line L, and we're told that the slope is negative 5/12. Well, the slope, which is negative 5/12, is equal to the vertical displacement, so negative 3 minus z, we'll just subtract those two, divided by the horizontal displacement, so 5 minus negative 7, that's a 12. Now, since both denominators are 12, negative 5 is equal to negative 3 minus z, so we add 3 to both sides. Looks like z is equal to 2. Answer choice D. Number 7, while biking on a 50-mile path, Jerry averages 5 miles per hour for the first 8 hours. So I'm going to use some unit analysis here. So 5 miles for each hour. I'm going to multiply that by h hours. And so for h hours, he travels 5h miles. The hours cancel out. And so the remainder of the trip is the total distance minus what he has ridden. That's the remainder. That's answer choice B.